Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest Analytics to grow your account. So you will just make sure you will have logged in, and in the left side you will see this home feed, which is three lines. I will just tap on it, and from here you will just choose the analytics sections and just tap on it, analytics overview. So after you will just get in, so here the step-by-step guide to using the Pinterest Analytics to effectively to grow your account. So when you just click on the analytics in the top of menu of your dashboard, and you will just understand the key metrics like impression, engagement, outbound clicks, saves, total audience, and engaged audience. So you will just analyze your audience, and you will just check the demographics. But right now I will just not post anything over it. So when you just post some things like create pins and images, so you will just check demographics like age, gender, location, and interest right over here in this demographics. You will just focus on creating content that resonates with your target audience, and you will just also monitor content performance, and you will just use to top pin sections to find out which pins are driving the most engagement and repurpose or boost similar content to maintain performance. So in this way you can just use Pinterest to analytics to grow your accounts, so you will know what is the pin is high or low. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.